First thing first, let's access Pinterest. If you are on a computer, go to your browser like Safari or Google Chrome and search for www.pinterest.com. If you are on a phone or tablet, go to your App Store for iPhone or Play Store for Android and search for Pinterest. Once you find the app, click download. After it finishes installing, go ahead and open the Pinterest app on your device. You'll be given two choices, either to log in if you already have an account or sign up if you are new to Pinterest. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. I'll show you how to sign up. First, enter your email address. Make sure it's one you can access because this is how Pinterest will contact you or send notifications. Create a strong password. Use something that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter your date of birth. This helps Pinterest recommend age-appropriate content for you. Add your nickname or the name you like to use on the platform. Set your gender. This helps Pinterest personalize your experience even more. Choose your location or country. For example, I'm choosing Malaysia, so Pinterest will suggest some local ideas too. You'll be asked to pick 5 topics that you are interested in. Choose anything you like: education, language tips, motivational quotes, classroom decor, or even teaching strategies. And just like that, your account is ready to go. Now that you're in, this is what your home feed will look like. It's filled with beautiful pictures, ideas, and inspiration based on the interests you selected earlier. Let's say you're scrolling and you find a pin or image you really like. Maybe something helpful for school, like sign language tips or essay writing formats. Click on the pin, you'll see more details about it. When you tap Save, Pinterest will ask you to choose a board. You can use one of the suggested boards, but I recommend creating your own board, especially if it's for a specific subject. Click Create Board. Name your board something clear and specific, like English subject or science ideas, and then click Create. As you scroll through your feed, feel free to explore other educational content. If you like something, then tap 3 dot icon in the top corner of the pin. From there, you can download the image to use in your class or study notes. Share it directly to your social media like Instagram, Telegram, or even Facebook. Or follow other creator of the pin to see more content they share in the future. Pinterest also has a visual search tool. You can tap it to find more pins similar to the one you're looking at. Now let's organize your board a bit. You might notice that things look a little messy, especially if you have saved a lot of pins. Tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner of your board. Select Edit Board and Header Image. You can now choose a header image from one of the pins in your board. This gives your board a unique and pretty look. You can also write a description to explain what the board is about. Maybe it's for collecting grammar tips or classroom activities. Then set your board cover. Just like the header, you can choose one of the pins to represent the board visually. Pinterest also lets you collaborate. You can invite classmates, students, or even other teachers to contribute to your board. You can choose whether to make your board public or private. To keep your board super neat, you can create sections inside it. Tap Add Section. Give your section a title, like synonyms, grammar rules, or literature quotes. Add relevant pins to that section so everything stays grouped and organized. You can create multiple sections based on different parts of your subject. For example, I added a section just for motivational quotes to inspire me during study sessions. Once your sections are ready, your board will look much cleaner and more structured, which make it easier to find exactly what you're looking for later on. If you ever run out of ideas, just tap more ideas and in Pinterest will suggest additional pins that match your topic. At the top, tap the search bar and type in anything you're curious about. Let's say you want to decorate your classroom. Type classroom decor and Pinterest will give you hundreds of beautiful ideas. You can also search for educators or friends who are using Pinterest. Tap follow to keep up with their boards or even message them to share ideas and collaborate on learning content. Pinterest isn't just for saving, it's also for creating. Tap Create Pin. Choose a photo. This could be a screenshot, a quote, or a classroom poster. Add a title, write descriptions, and explain what it is about. Save it to one of your boards. And that's it. Your original pin is now published and ready to inspire others. Try creating a collage of motivational quotes using an app like Canva or PixArt, and then upload it to Pinterest. It's a creative way to stay inspired and to uplift your classmates, students, or even yourself. And there you go. That's how you use Pinterest as an amazing educational tool. From organizing your study materials to discovering fresh ideas to collaborating with others, it's all in one place. Give it a try and watch your learning or teaching become more visual, engaging, and inspiring.